No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex. Thumb down, now check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up.
YouTube! What's up, guys? It's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Nike Dunk Low and Undefeated collaboration called 5 on it. Now, these sneakers recently just came out on the Undefeated website a couple of weeks ago, and I was hearing that these sneakers were sort of limited. I did see a lot of people catch the dub out on social media. But now the Nike Sneakers app is going to be dropping these on August 20th. The retail price tag for these sneakers is $120. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a full detail review on these things. Then you know your boy's going to hit you with an on feet, and then you can make a decision on if you want to go after these on August 20th or not. Before we get into the review, I just want to take a moment out just to thank all my returning viewers and subscribers for once again taking time out of your busy life to stop over here and watch another one of my videos. I appreciate you guys. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James, and I make content on sneakers, gear, and sports-related items. And if you like content like that, you can stick around by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Now, I was able to secure this pair on the Undefeated website the day that they dropped. Now, I normally wouldn't hit on something like this, and they were doing first come, first serve. And I actually got to give a special shout out to Undefeated. The way that they go about their process on their website, where you sit in a queue, and whether you get the sneakers or not, like, you actually get through the queue. So you know if your size is sold out and stuff like that. You know what I mean? I've seen a lot of people catch dubs on these, even though they were kind of limited. But I think a lot of these companies should adopt their same process, you know what I mean? Like, I know that they're fighting bots, and I'm sure that some bots got through for this release and were able to, get some pairs and stuff like that, but regular, everyday people copping manually were able to get this sneaker and also the Air Force One that they released at the same time. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is this box. Now, you do get an all-blue box. On the lid, you will get the Dunk versus Air Force One, and then you're going to get the Undefeated logo right there in black. Right here, you're going to get a Nike logo. On this side, you're going to get a Undefeated logo and then another Nike logo. And then the size tag reads Nike Dunk Low SP. The colorway is Signal Blue, White, Night Purple. This is a personal pair, size 8. And here is a shot of the size tag for you guys. So you do get a flip out lid. You will get a lot number right here. Then you're gonna get this Dunk versus Air Force One white tissue paper. Peel that back. You're also gonna get some other white tissue paper plain inside. And then here's our first up close look at this Dunk Low Undefeated collaboration. BAM! Now, I feel like there's a Nike Dunk release almost every single day. Definitely every week we're seeing multiple Dunks release, whether it's a high or a low or a collaboration of some kind, whether it's the Nike Sneakers app or another retailer. We're seeing Dunks just being saturated throughout the sneaker market. And I know they're very popular right now. It's very hard to keep up with all the colorways that they're dropping. But when it comes to this sneaker right out of the box, I really do like this colorway a lot. It's just two colors that you really don't see a lot, blended together and stuff like that. And there's so many different materials on this sneaker that I think really enhances the way it looks aesthetically. Alright, so now getting into the review, there's so many different materials on this sneaker, and I'm going to try to cover them all so you know exactly what you're getting if you're going after this sneaker. So starting up here at the upper, you're going to get like this nubuck suede. And then down here where it's purple, you're going to get like this canvas material. And then the Nike swoosh is like this nubuck suede. Very, very fuzzy. The suede nubuck goes around the entire back of the sneaker, and then you're going to have that Nike lettering right there in white. Going down the eyelets, you will get what they're calling the, basically it's fake snakeskin. It doesn't really feel like snakeskin, but it's kind of smooth actually. It does have a little bit of ripples in it, so you can feel it. On the toe box, you will get this leather right here, and then you're going to get an all leather tongue. And then you'll see right here, you're going to get that Undefeated logo right there. It does come with blue laces, and it does come with other laces on the other sneaker, and we'll talk about that here in a second. Down here on the midsole, you're going to get this sail, more of like a cream color. And then on the outsole, you're going to get that midnight purple in that classic Nike Dunk design. And then if you look inside the sneaker, you will get a blue sock liner with a purple insole. And then it will say Dunk vs Air Force One with the Undefeated logo. Now, if you take a look right here on the tongue, it does have the padding showing, and it gives it more of like a vintage look. So, you know, just something to note right there. Some people don't like that. I actually think it looks pretty cool. Now, blue laces already come on the sneaker, but if you want to swap it out, they will be giving you a cream pair and also a white pair. So if you're not a fan of the blue, maybe you think it's too much blue, you can swap it out with one of these other two choices. Now, prior to this sneaker releasing on the Undefeated website, the resale prices for this sneaker were crazy. These were going for like $1,000. Now, since they have released, the prices have come way down. This is like a $200 sneaker right now out on the resale market. Now, to me, it really doesn't matter what the resale market is. I was able to get it for retail. So, I mean, this was just a sneaker that I wanted to add into my collection. Now, these will be dropping on the Nike Sneakers app on August 20th at 10 a.m. So, if you missed the Undefeated release and you don't want to pay resale right now and you want a chance to cop it for retail, the Nike Sneakers app is going to give you your best chance. The retail price on this is $120. In my opinion, I do think it's worth it. I think this is a very wearable sneaker, whether it's summertime, springtime, fall, winter. This is a sneaker that I think will look good with a lot of things if you put your fit together properly. It's just a very, very dope sneaker in my opinion. I do like the collaboration a lot. The colorway is fire. You know what I mean? So definitely a sneaker that I'm very, very happy with. Now, before we get into the on-feet portion of the video, I just want to thank you all for your time. Thank you guys for rocking out with me and watching this video. Make sure that you guys hit that like button for your boy. It really does help to put my videos out in front of more people and helps my channel grow. And if you're new here or you haven't yet already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any content when I drop videos. Enjoy the on-feed portion of the video, guys. I'm out. Thank you guys so much. Peace.
Tell 'em run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip this. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip this. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself there getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip this. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip this. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up.